Hello, new moms and dads. Welcome back to my channel Tuji Toes. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe for more parenting videos. This video has the diet chart for 6 to 9 months old babies. But before we proceed with the diet chart, here are some important rules to follow. No salt or sugars should be given to the infants till they are 1 year old. It's not good for their bones and brain development. Feed the same grain for 2 to 3 days to check allergies with grains or fruits or nuts or vegetables. You can start using diluted and low fat desi cow milk to make porridges, but don't feed the cow milk till the baby is 1 year old. Start water along with solids for swallowing the food and proper digestion. Don't keep too thick consistency or watery of food. Keep a close eye on their motion and urinary output. They should not feel constipated, and stop solids immediately if they are not able to pass motion, and check with their doctors. Don't force feed the child, otherwise they will lose interest in eating solids. No junk at all to be given. Don't get them into the habit of using phone or TV while eating. Use sterilized vessels only and no leftover foods to be given or repeated to avoid tummy upset. Avoid using plastics, aluminium or non-stick vessels for cooking or feeding their meals. I use these 3 bowl sizes: small, medium and large. Small is good for 6 months, medium for 7 months and large for 8 months above. I'll share the portion also later in the video. So I guess you are all set to start their first proper meals. In this diet chart I have prepared with the help of kids pediatricians, and I never felt any issue with it. Morning mein kids wake up early, so start with their normal breast milk or formula milk. Don't make any changes in their morning milk habit. It's a transition from milk to solid, so that they get the habit of solid foods with their existing source of milk supply, and they have survived on your milk from day one. Solids will be addition of some extra source of their food. So around 7 a.m. give them normal milk they drink, and around 9 a.m. start with small bowl of porridge made with some cow milk. It should be around 3 to 4 tablespoons, that's it. Feed some water in between, and feed with a very small spoon, like this spoon which I am using. Then they might take a nap. After that, around 11 a.m. give same small bowl of any one fruit pulp. I don't prefer making puree of any fruit or vegetable or khichdi or anything. Trust me, if you start with pulp form, they will get its habit. Otherwise, you will keep on making puree of fruits, roti, khichdi, vegetables for years. If you want to know how to start fruits, then click on I button for my old video. Then for lunch at around 12 or 12:30, when you feel that the baby is hungry, a same small bowl of vegetable khichdi you can give. Again 4 to 5 tablespoons only, and with water. Give some break, then around 4 p.m. give normal milk as they drink. Around 6 p.m. vegetable soup or any mashed vegetable you can start. Give this every day, no matter wherever you are. If you are out and traveling, carry it with you and feed outside. This will add fiber in the meals and will help in digestion. I'll share the soup and vegetable and porridge options later. You can keep the mashed vegetable or boiled vegetable on the table on their high chair, so that they can pick and eat as a finger food also. 7:30 is the dinner time. Same small bowl of porridge you can give, but with this time prepare without milk, like wheat porridge or upma or dalia. Repeat same food for 2 days at least to check allergies with nuts or any grain or any fruit or any vegetable. This much should be the quantity for 6 months old baby. Now for 7 months, change the bowl from small to medium, so it will be around 7 to 8 spoons. Now for 7 months, this is the bowl size, and this much should be the quantity. And for 8 months, from medium to large bowl, that is 10 to 12 spoons. You can increase or decrease the food amount based on baby's likes or dislikes and hunger, but again, don't overfeed and don't force feed to keep their interest in solids. Few things which you can start once the baby is 9 months old are ghee, paneer, curd, little spices and dry fruits. These are heavy to digest and should not be given early. Apart from this, roti, chila, dosa, utpam, idli as finger foods you can give. Now these are the food options: porridge, fruit pulps, khichdi, soup, mashed vegetables and dinner options. Please have a look. If you find this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe. Happy parenting!